Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unlink Rabbit AI from your account. To do this, first we'll need to click on the three lines in the top right corner of Rabbit Hole website when you're logged in. Then we can navigate to the settings, select device, and then you'll be able to unlink your Rabbit 1. Then confirm it. And this should remove your device. Also, you need to scan the QR code. So grab your Rabbit AI device, then click on this button 2 times, and it should basically be removed already. So it's okay, never mind. So don't scan this QR code as it's for the setup. It wasn't clear. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.